21 now. This is Extra Time on Gagasi FM. Nale conversation esiqala manje ke uhambe ku Gagasi FM app uyi-download kusemanje uregister nje nakhona ukuze ukwazi ukuthi uthole wonke ama podcast ethu. Extra Time Unlocked ingena khona sikhuluma noNdlovu u-AK47 uSandile ungayithola ke kwi podcast yethu kwi app ke Gagasi FM. Ila uzothola khona lezi zinto neningi. But ke as you know ukuthi we building up cishe ngiseselwe ileli sonto elizayo before the biggest event in Africa, the horse racing. But ayihambi yodwa isaze yanezelelwa ngokuthi masikhona lapha uHollywood Bets uveluta asibeni namatheme esobasebenzisa throughout the years. And this year but decide ukuthi bathi Marvels of uMzansi nala khona uzokwazi khona wenze noma yini ungafaki lama jackets eswafakile amabomba Mike. No speedo this time around. We on a Hollywood Bet Durban July, but we want like a proper outfit. I don't say a proper outfit today in you.
No, but hang on 1 second.
Yeah.
You said no speedo.
Yeah, no speedo.
But it's Marvels of Mzansi.
Yeah.
Surely
Speedo is not a Marvel of Umzansi. How?
Well, why don't we ask those who are super fashionable?
So we promised our listeners courtesy of Hollywood Bets and said, this time around we want to bring jockeys and also designers.
Yep.
Today we got designers in studio. These are people who analyze the moment you enter the door. They can tell ukuthi Mike is not stylish today. Banalelo hlolelo. Namhlanje ku Extra Time on Gagasi FM, as you know, we're building up to the biggest event again. Akhona uyazi ukuthi kunama programs akhona eThekwini Municipality i-Fashion Development Program, ama beneficiaries akhona ne Hollywood Bets Durban July Young Designer Awards, ama judge akhona ke. Why judge mangaphosisi nakhona. Usandile uJoke wakamngadi, an upcoming jockey uAthandiwe wakangudlwa. Namanje bakwazile ukuthi ifuture yabo mawabheka and both ethics okuyikhona i-horse riding ne-fashion ngala bakwazile ukuthi bayibambe. Basijoyinile ke namhlanje on Gagasi FM. Gents, welcome to Extra Time on Gagasi.
Siyabonga Simtho, siyabonga Mr. Mike McCap. Yeah.
Yini nikwazi ukubona abantu bengakangeni ukuthi kuse ufashionable lo mawubheka uMike ufashionable mawubheka. Oh,
okay.
I'll take the jacket off, Mr. Macab. You can also stand in between there, Mr. Mike. I know. I boy stylish, Mike. Oh, yeah. It's that jacket of yours.
Yeah.
Blocking. Oh, okay. No, stylish, Mumpe.
Yeah, no. I like the clean canvas, which means we can work with.
Oh,
yeah.
Hey, Mr. Macab. Hey, ngesilale namhlanje. Gents, thank you so much for joining us namhlanje. I know it's the biggest event in Lezayo, and you got your outfits and also your models just behind you. Ngiyazi ukuthi izinto eziningi mawuza kwi Durban July abantu abaningi babheka yona ifashion. But ngizocala ngawe nje Juke ukuthi if you look at Young Designer Awards nakhona la South Africa, especially fashion Latina, kwi Hollywood Bets la sibheka khona ngempela going to this main event. Mawubheka ke this time around ibaleka kanani ke competition efana nalawo my young designer building up to such events?
Yeah, njengomuntu okhulele kuyona ifashion ngayifundisa mina, ngangena ngazama ukuthi ukutabalasa ngafika. And ngiyalibona igebe likhona esikhathini qala, so ama programs afana nalawo ama Young Designers Awards abaleke kakhulu ukuze akwazi ukuthi aqoqozele abasikubengqepha abasafufusa nabasaqala phansi bathole lo support le. So ngasho nje ukuthi ngiyawabonga ama stakeholders akwazi usahlangana ne Hollywood Bets Foundation bakwazi ukuthi bayenze lento le ibe reality, because angazi ukuthi ithuba eliyingqayizivele kakhulu. Yeah.
I was saying ukuthi ku-intro yami, when you look at i-Hollywood Bets Durban July baphuma nama-themes akhona. Unyaka nonyaka kuba ne-theme yakhona, unyaka nonyaka u-theme yakhona. And this year bathe Marvels of uMzansi. How would you describe your understanding yama-designers ake and also benze sure ukuthi basticka kwi-theme yabo this year?
Yeah, beku exciting ukubona ama young designers kuma judging stage because the sesikhethile from 131 we shortlisted to 25 and then the following week we shortlisted to 10. So ngasho ukuthi nje almost all the designers understood the theme and they by translate ngendlela zabe ihlukahlukene and ngingabancomo kuyikhona nje ukuthi bekumele kuphuma u10 so nalabo abangazange baphumelele kulo 10 lo ngingabagqugquzela ukuthi beze on race day bazoshowcase impahla zabo because ziyafita into the theme and into everything that is ezobiyenzeka on race day.
1827 this is Extra Time on Gagas. Ngiyazi ukuthi mawuhlala udesigner nawe uba nama ideas uyafana nje nomuntu oy creator of some sorts.
Yeah.
Amagama ensakho lawo.
Yona translation yethu leya lonyaka. The Marvels of Mzansi.
Just take us through the inspiration just behind nje lama design walethile namhlanje.
So basically we decided as a brand to look at our beautiful majestic mountains and use them as our inspiration for this year's collection. So more bigger ama mountains to cover the layers of the mountains, the contours, and Jububo nitla obviously sabagqoke ngayo bashaye layering with ama crop jackets, so which represents the altitudes of the mountain. As you go higher, the lines become smaller and smaller. The highest point of the mountain has a smaller line or smaller circle on the altitudes and the contours. And the lady represents the summits of the mountain. You know, we love to summit our mountains. iDrakensberg now uyakwazi usuyivakashele uyikhuphuke nje uyenjoy ubuhle bayo intaba. So iyona ndlela si-translate ngayo singabi too literal but siyifake futhi with a nice fashion element.
Mike?
I'm absolutely amazed. You know, we sit back and we talk about design and we talk about fashion, and we often don't understand how much thought goes into the concept of fashion and design. And I just think that's absolutely incredible.
Thank you.
Yeah. I think when Mike, you stood better on the far left.
Definitely not in the middle. I can never compete. Can never compete.
Not in the middle.
The far left, I've got a chance.
Yeah.
A little bit less of a chance on the right, but
no right seats, obviously. You can tell. You can tell.
Yeah.
This one, maybe I should go with this one in the Durban July. I like that one. It's warm. Phela remember ukuthi kwi Hollywood better in Durban July so zisihamba sekuvalo.
Duke, I want you to remember these words.
Yeah.
Because Simta said the same thing about so many different events.
I was wearing
and
Speedo.
Then he arrives very sort of conservatively dressed. So now he's saying he wants to step out.
Yeah. Let's see it.
Let's see it.
How would you suggest kumuntu onomzimba njengami when you go for such events?
Layering covers like all figures and shapes. And
so go to our Gaga CFM Facebook page or Instagram asekhona-ke uzibonele ukuthi nawe yiphi ongayichoose for this upcoming Hollywood Better Durban July and kuningi okhona. So go to our socials and akhona kuyosicheckela lama design asekhona la phambi kwethu kuzobona ukuthi ufitha ngakuphi wena. But ke uJoke akahambi yedwa uhamba nama models akhe amajita asazowashutha and apost amanye ama pictures and videos as well. But just nje direct opposite athandiwe. And we all talk about fashion.
By the way, let me stop you. Yeah. Very trendy, very, very smart, very elegant, eh?
We're talking about Hollywood Durban July here.
I know.
So we need to keep up with the standard.
Yeah.
See,
100%.
It's only you and I, Mike. I must do better.
We'll
next
come right.
time. Yes. Uyaphila kodwa tsene?
Ngiyaphila but kunjani ku?
Kancane. And abantu abaningi bazi ukuthi so swenka and also go there and just to have fun, but they don't understand the importance yabantu abasuke besize ngabo ngempela lapho kwamahashi. Lolu suku lubaleke kanganani to jockeys and also as well luhluka kangakanani when you prepare for such event namanye ama events akhona kwi horse racing?
Yeah, for ama jockey it's very important, and I mean like you just said, abanye they go there for fashion and the partying and all of that, but for abo jockey it's actually work, and it's the opportunity yokuziprova to everyone else around ukuthi you can also perform at the highest level.
Yeah.
So it's futhi that's very, very important. Yosebenza lapha.
I can understand ukuthi lo msebenzi unzima kangakanani, and I can sit here nami ngisakhula. I used to listen to such interviews for rugby players. Nami ngifisa one day to be part of this. What inspired you ukuthi one day mina ngifuna ukungena kulesa sport, kakhulukazi thina kade sisingasibuki ngaleyo ndlela?
It's crazy because nami growing up I knew nothing about it.
Yeah.
I mean, I knew there were horses, people ride horses, but bengazi ukuthi it's actually something you can make a career out of. So I was approached by one of teachers at Joburg. I grew up in Joburg, by the way. Vincent Mkhize. He changed my life. One approach, and I used to walk to school, and angibona nje ngizivokela and bona isize yami ukuthi ngimncane, and when he told me about it, I was like, come on, man. You know, I thought I was going to be a soccer player. And wakuluma nami about it, and for me it was more of a situation where ngathi, let me give it a try.
Yeah.
And first time I went to the races at Tefontein, I was sold. I was like, all right, I want to do that. And through all of that, I developed a passion, and that I wouldn't trade it for the world.
Yeah. Ngibuka, if you look at bonke ojoka abakhona, height is more important. Is height one of our requirements ukuthi kumele ube lo size weight omfishane and also being tiny?
Yes, being tiny. I mean, akhona amajoki amade, but it's more if you wait. You know, you can be tall and be light, so you still qualify, but obviously not this guy.
Won't qualify.
You can run next to them, but yeah, obviously that's those are the main things about bigger, your heights and your weights. So
let's shut la camera and shut le radio. Sikhulume zamajid and uqhamukekas and amaningi amajid aqhamukekas afisa kuba in your position. Kuyaphileka ngayo?
Yaphileka, but most importantly, I think say confused at times where a few people bazobona and they're like, oh, money. And I think if usekasi manje and ungmamele and you wanna give it a go and try it, first things first, I think it's passion.
Yep.
And if you wanna go in it because of ufungwenzi mali, don't start.
I'd like to add to that because, as you know, I'm a passionate horse goer. I've owned racehorses and bred racehorses, and
represented some of the jockeys.
For many, many years, represented a large number of jockeys: Anthony Delpeche, Anton Marcus, a whole lot of jockeys. Yeah. But I think what's important that you need to talk to our youngsters about is exactly what you said. I've always believed that in anything that you do in life, if money is at the forefront of your reason for doing it, your likelihood of being successful is not going to be great. But if your ambition and your passion and success and a real desire to be the best at what you want to do is the driving force, the money will chase you. But what is important is, because a lot of these youngsters don't understand, in any sport, I'm going to use horse racing as a benchmark here. Can you please tell our listeners, as a work rider, when you start off doing all the hard work, what time in the morning do you start?
So we up at 4, so around 5 we start.
Yeah, and tell me, do they start later in the winter when the temperatures are sub-zero?
Times don't change. Yeah.
So all the hard yards are done, and what we see are skilled because they're incredibly skilled. Don't forget that these horses are running at 60 kilometers an hour.
Yeah.
They weigh half a ton. Yes. That's half a bucky. They weigh half a ton. They're on 4 little legs where one little step that's out of place and the horse becomes imbalanced. The jockey's got to bring it back into balance. It's hectic. It's really hectic. So all the hard yards get done by the jockeys leading up to this. And all we see is the glamour at the end, like most things in life. So,
yeah, it's not all that. Like you said, money will chase you, the glamour and all that. It's, I mean, when I started off, that wasn't even in my mind.
Yeah.
I just wanted to be the best I possibly could.
Well done.
And I'm heading there. I haven't started yet, so
Well done.
yeah,
Well done.
I'm heading there. It's for me. It's always a passion. It's always been my drive.
And I think it's, Simto, the difficult thing about horse racing is whether you're a trainer or a jockey, unless you're given the opportunities to prove your worth, it's always difficult because often trainers and owners alike will look towards the more experienced jockeys, those that have the greater stats, etc., etc. And all the up-and-coming guys need are opportunities to show their capabilities. Yeah. So it's a hard industry, but I do have to tell you, very few things can be more exhilarating than riding a racehorse. Maybe it compares with Formula One motor racing.
1838, so this is Extra Time on Gagas. Before ngikudedele nje athande ngiyazi ukuthi nawe as a jockey niyawabuka wonke la amahashi lawa khona lawa azocompete. And also we set to i-announcement final field ingomhla ka-24 kuJune on Tuesday. Which horse when do you fancy kule Hollywood Bets Durban July yakulo nyaka?
Yeah, that's everyone's question. I think the obvious one, 8 on 18.
Yeah.
Very impressive young horse, yeah.
I think maybe the weight. It's as a 3-year-old.
You know what? The way you won the Daily News.
Yeah.
I've seen a lot of good horses and they don't quicken like that.
No, he's special.
Yeah, he's really special and I don't see that being a threat the weights at all.
And some of the older horses? See it again?
See it again.
Always seems to be the bridesmaid.
Yes. You kind of feel sorry for him because he deserves a big one like this. But I think if there's any other horse on the older ones, I think Oriental Charm.
Yes, the winner of last year's.
He's gutsy and he's not going down without a fight. That's for sure.
1839. This is Extra Time. Sorry to keep you guys waiting, but as much as we all excited about the Hollywood Durban July, in July, but kukhona abantu abazofana nathi yini ekuzomela si-avoid lapha kwi-Durban July as wena wazi kahle especially nge-outfits ngama-outfits and garments yini ekuzomela si-avoid?
Okay, let me talk to amajita kakhulu because abesifazane they get it, they ambitious and break my boundaries. Amajita, they too safe. That's number one. That's what you need to let go. Ungasabu explore, ungasabu experiment with this into. Yes, on daily basis we're simple, but now when it comes to events, just follow the trend or follow the theme and then put something together. Team, I think is very broad. You can win with almost anything. Think of your hero. Think of your favorite tourist attraction. Think of your favorite building, and then just try and translate it into clothing. You're gonna be okay.
All right. This is Extra Time. 1840. On my left, Ujoke, and also just on my right, Ujoke, opposite to Atandeo as Ujoke. Guys, thank you so much for coming through. And now, guys, mafuna ubona lama outfits akhona to Gaga CFM social pages asekon. Thank you so much. With our model Zethu, thank you so much, guys. We'll see each other. We Hollywood Bets Durban July ngomhla ka 5. Thank you so much, guys, for coming through.
Thanks for having us.